So 51 steps. Okay, I'm trying to envision this. What is this gonna be for? The Ontario line? No. That's part of the Ontario line right there, isn't it? All right. So I will be starting a live stream to cover this during the day. I covered it at night, so I wanted to continue and show how it looks during the day. So if you're new to my channel, I have 4 channels altogether. Main one is Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C, which I will be posting or publishing this video of the pedestrian walk. Bridge here. So, and my Multitask with Lizzo C. That's in my other channel. I have What's Cooking with Lizzo C. 3rd channel. That was the 3rd channel. 4th channel would be Explore, Discover, Capture Day and Night Trips. So this is Atlantic Avenue, Liberty Village. So this is all new. All right, and that's the original to go under the tunnel, but there's a new addition for this entrance, a new tunnel because the old entrance used to be over this fence. I'm not sure because there's still a walkway around there. I think it looked like they covered it. Let me ask questions here. Oh, so they did close.
Train traveling at high speeds.
Hi. I'm documenting a little bit for my YouTube channel because I came 2 nights ago on my live stream. So that's closed off now, that entrance.
It's permanently closed off.
Permanently closed.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is the new one. Yeah.
Yes, I'm going west. So you go down and to the right. From what I understand, downstairs.
Yeah, down the tunnel.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good to know. So it'll be permanently closed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, because 2 nights ago, I happened to stream really late at around Queen and Osgood. And I noticed construction happening late at night. Because I'm like, oh yeah, they don't do anything during the day. So I found out from the engineer guys there, because the city, they don't, or Osgood Hall says no construction during the day. You have to do it at night. Did you know that?
I think I heard
Yeah.
that on the news.
Yeah, they have to like start at 7 p.m. till 7 a.m. or 4 a.m., whatever.
Yeah.
And we actually saw because I was streaming the beam going down for like 30, 40 meters down. So I'm like, this is history, man.
It is.
So I thought, okay, I'm gonna continue this, every so often. But I did it the Wednesday, I think. Yeah, Wednesday was out because I cycle. So I joined the bike rally at Queen's Park. And then I thought, okay, I'll tie it after I finish that stream. I'll start another one since I'm in the area. But I was like 6:45 p.m., so it was early. It was fine. So then I kind of I said, okay, let's just look at all the, that station. We'll cycle west to Spadina and Queen, and then Bathurst and King. And then I talked to some of the men that work there. So I learned there's engineers, there's foremen and laborers.
Yes.
So
I'm a flagger.
you're a flagger. Oh, did you have now? You study all this? Like, how do you become a flagger?
No, it's for the union.
For the union,
Obviously,
okay.
So I'm with Lena, 506.
Yeah.
There's 183 and 506. 183 is more infrastructure, bridges, and stuff like that.
Okay.
And 506 is more people like myself, flaggers,
Okay.
residential, and things
Yeah.
like that.
Oh, nice. So I'm learning, and then I'm so it's good. The viewers can hear me speak and get information. So now I'm fascinated. Now I'm seeing because now since I've been doing this for 4 years, my channel it's slowly growing, but it's not I'm doing it because I enjoy doing it. The views, the subscribers will come along. If it's slow, whatever, it'll happen. So and then I'm kind of so I went back because I cycled in Ontario Place. So I have 2 thorough footage of now that it's been torn up.
Yeah,
That's very
shame.
Yes, it is a shame.
Beautiful place.
I grew up. I'm born and raised in Toronto.
I used to go there when I was a kid.
Me too. I saw amazing concerts
Yes,
at the Forum. Oh my gosh! And then I had my son. Now he's an adult, but I used to take him every day, weekends, buy the family pass. It was our thing,
Yeah.
And then I'm like, thanks, Doug, for ruining our childhood
And
memories.
the Science Center, that's another story in itself.
It just boggles my mind. How does he think, and how does he sleep at night?
I don't know how he does. Frankly.
Oh my gosh. But anyway, so now that's why I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do this thoroughly, and then people can watch this 20, 30, 50 years from now.
Yeah.
When I'm gone, and they'll watch it and they go, oh, that's great. So I have, it's good history, memories. And then now I can look back because I dug up some of my videos, and that was in 2022 that I did some cycling through the
Have a nice weekend.
cycling through Ontario Place. So now I'm posting it on X, Twitter, and sharing that, and so people can see what Doug Ford destroyed. But anyway, yeah. So then this is gonna be a positive. So now when I cycled at night coming here, because I was pretending, okay, because I asked the foreman at the Bathurst and King, because I showed the map. I said, okay, I see the map, King and Bathurst, so it's gonna go down. So you guys are gonna dig the tunnel south. I thought it was gonna go south all the way to Lakeshore, but no, I think it's gonna go to front and Bathurst, and then out into the open. I don't think.
With you, I don't know all the details of.
Mm-hmm. I'm just I'm just thinking out in my own head that it'll be above ground when it gets down to Bathurst and front, because that's where the train
Could be because that's.
I
the
think so.
waterfront.
Yeah.
It very well could be.
Yeah, I don't think it'll go underground along Lakeshore now. I think because I'm looking at how they're doing it out here, that the Bathurst Bridge, Sir Isaac Brock Bridge. So because I do a lot of train spotting out there, so I'm thinking, oh, maybe they're gonna dig right from there and then outside. That will be cool. Yeah. But anyway.
If it happens, it's going to be interesting.
Yeah, I can't wait. Okay, thank you. You too. It is so awesome to meet the staff of the Ontario line, to ask questions to learn more about the project. All right, so I'm gonna start upstairs, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna cover a lot of it. Well, not a lot, but enough to show how it looks during the day. Oh no, my hair's too. All right. All right, I'll stop it here, get some thumbnails, and figure out which one I'm going to use. Thanks for watching this one. Sir Isaac Brock Bridge. Bathurst and Front Street West. Here we were looking west, and I'm thinking that the Ontario line will go out from here